Hey, did someone disconnect your Christmas lights in a way that left the cord without an AC plug? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. Just ask your grandmother for some tools and for permission to work with electrical wires. Once you've got grandma's support, go to your local home improvement store and buy a new replacement AC plug. But keep in mind, you can only do this repair if the end of the cable originally had a regular AC plug. If there was an AC/DC adapter there before, you cannot just skip the adapter and install a regular AC plug. Doing that will burn out not only your Christmas lights, but also your home and your grandmother, who will be the one trying to plug them in next Christmas. Okay, if all of this is clear, let's get to the repair. Start by disassembling the new plug. Cut the old cable, then insert the cable into the new plug and pull it through a bit further. Carefully remove the cable's outer jacket, making sure not to damage the internal wires. Then remove about 0.5 centimeter of insulation from both individual wires. Next, tin both wires with solder. This will improve the quality of the repair. If you don't have a soldering iron, feel free to skip this step. Then unscrew the plug's pin screws, insert both wires, and screw them in tightly. You need to remember that AC electricity is dangerous, so always check that there is no short circuit, and that no stray metal wires are sticking out of the plastic case. Next, assemble the plug and check the wire connections one last time. For extra safety, I recommend locking all the wires and screws in place with hot glue. Then just put the new plug back together, and that is all you need to do to repair your Christmas lights. Now for the most nerve-wracking moment, seeing if it actually works. The best way is to ask your grandmother to plug the lights into the AC outlet, since she has already lived a nice long life. Whew, they work, and no one got hurt. I hope this helps you get your Christmas lights back up, and that your tree looks nice. Thanks.